Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your device runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and that Play Store updates are installed. Next, open Play Store, search Nordpass, and tap Install. Once installed, open it and sign in or create an account. While inside, enable biometric unlock so you won't type your master password constantly. This first step gets you into the app securely and quickly, so you can move on to saving passwords and configuring autofill without delays. Once done signing in and unlocking, import passwords from a CSV or another manager through Settings Import. Follow prompts to map columns correctly. After import, organize by creating folders and tags for work versus personal accounts to save time when searching. You should also open each imported entry and add notes or custom fields like recovery codes. This improves security and reduces friction. Make sure to review duplicates and merge entries. You finish by enabling Android autofill. Go to Settings System Languages and input Autofill Service and choose Nordpass. Grant required permissions so forms fill automatically. Then test autofill on a website or app and save any new credentials when prompted. If autofill fails, check app permissions, clear Nordpass cache, or reinstall, then re-enable autofill. Finally, make sure biometric unlock remains set and that your master password is memorized or stored in a secure recovery method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.